Did you know that analyzing and optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns can significantly boost your earnings? Stay tuned to learn how tracking your performance and making data-driven decisions can improve your campaigns and maximize your revenue. Welcome to our in-depth guide on analyzing and optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. Analyzing and optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. This is part 7 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we'll dive into the essential metrics and tools you need to track your performance and make informed decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to measure your success, identify areas for improvement, and optimize your campaigns for better results. One of the biggest challenges affiliate marketers face is understanding how their campaigns are performing and knowing what changes to make to improve their results. Without proper analysis and optimization, you might be wasting time and money on ineffective strategies. It's crucial to track your performance accurately and use that data to refine your campaigns. Understanding key metrics. Click-through rate, CTR. CTR measures the percentage of people who click on your affiliate links compared to the number of people who view your content. A high CTR indicates that your content is engaging and your calls to action are effective. Conversion rate. Conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who take the desired action, such as making a purchase, after clicking on your affiliate link. A high conversion rate means your traffic is high quality and your landing pages are persuasive. Earnings per click, EPC. EPC calculates the average amount of money you earn each time someone clicks on your affiliate link. It helps you understand the profitability of your campaigns and compare different affiliate programs. Average order value, AOV. AOV measures the average amount spent each time a customer completes an order through your affiliate link. Increasing your AOV can boost your overall revenue. Return on investment, ROI. ROI calculates the profitability of your campaigns by comparing the revenue generated to the amount spent on marketing efforts. A positive ROI indicates a successful campaign, while a negative ROI suggests you need to make changes. Tracking performance. Using analytics tools. Google Analytics. This free tool provides detailed insights into your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Affiliate network dashboards. Most affiliate networks offer their own tracking tools that provide metrics like clicks, conversions, and commissions. Setting up UTM parameters. UTM parameters are tags you add to your URLs to track the performance of your campaigns in Google Analytics. Use UTM parameters to identify which sources, mediums, and campaigns are driving the most traffic and conversions. Tracking links with URL shorteners. URL shorteners like Bitly and Pretty Links can help you track the performance of your affiliate links. They provide data on clicks, geographic locations, and referral sources. Heat maps and user behavior tools. Tools like Hotjar and Crazy Egg provide visual representations of how users interact with your website. Heat maps can help you understand where users are clicking and how they navigate your site, allowing you to optimize your layout and calls to action. Analyzing data. Identifying trends. Look for patterns in your data to identify what's working and what's not. Analyze metrics over time to spot trends and make informed decisions. Comparing campaigns. Compare the performance of different campaigns to see which ones are most effective. Use A/B testing to compare variations of your content, such as headlines, images, and calls to action. Segmenting data. Segment your data by different criteria, such as traffic sources, devices, and demographics. This can help you understand how different segments of your audience are responding to your campaigns. Attribution modeling. Attribution modeling helps you understand which touchpoints in the customer journey are contributing to conversions. Use models like first touch, last touch, and multi-touch attribution to gain insights into your marketing efforts. Optimizing campaigns. Improving click-through rates. Test different headlines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Use clear and compelling language that encourages users to click on your affiliate links. Enhancing conversion rates. Optimize your landing pages for better user experience and higher conversions. Use persuasive copy, social proof, and clear calls to action to encourage visitors to take the desired action. Increasing earnings per click. Promote high-quality products with attractive commission rates. Focus on products that are relevant to your audience and provide real value. Boosting average order value. Offer bundle deals, upsells, and cross-sells to increase the amount customers spend. Provide incentives like free shipping or discounts for larger orders. Maximizing ROI. Focus on high-performing campaigns and eliminate or improve underperforming ones. Continuously test and refine your strategies to ensure you're getting the best possible return on your investment. One of the most impactful strategies we discussed is improving your conversion rate. Even a small increase in your conversion rate can lead to significant improvements in your overall revenue. For example, if you currently have a conversion rate of 2% and you manage to increase it to 3%, that's a 50% increase in conversions and potential earnings. By focusing on optimizing your landing pages and user experience, you can achieve substantial growth in your affiliate marketing campaigns. In summary, analyzing and optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns is crucial for maximizing your earnings and achieving long-term success. By tracking key metrics, using the right tools, and making data-driven decisions, you can identify areas for improvement and refine your strategies. Remember to focus on improving your click-through rates, conversion rates, earnings per click, average order value, and return on investment. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow affiliate marketers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on affiliate marketing. And let us know in the comments which optimization tactics you're excited to try or share your own success stories.